In today's video, we are going to show you how to request a refund on SeatGeek. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then, since this is a newly created account, I don't have any purchase ticket. So I'm going to show you how to purchase a ticket and then ask for a refund later. So in this case, I'm going to choose the Kings at Knicks. And you will be forwarded with multiple dates and of course, how many tickets you would like to buy. Alright, so for example, you will have a different information here. The prices are shown accordingly. So for section 414, which is going to be around here, it's priced at $178, including all fees. Okay? Now, you see, you can always go to the different tabs so you can have more information about what you are going to choose. If you wanted to get some seat perks, okay, so you can have all these and these sections. Is it going to be courtside, center court, baseline, or benches? So you have all these. It's up to you. But as you may notice, the closer you are on the court side, it's more expensive, right? So you may take a little time. Okay, scroll down on the best seat that you can have here. For now, we're going to choose this one right here. Okay, so I wanted to have the cheapest. So what will happen is I will be situated around here. And once you are happy with that, there's only 4 tickets left at this price. Click the continue button. This should forward you to a new page. As you may notice, you can choose from any of the following payment method. You can use Afterpay in installments, use Apple Pay, Google Pay, and if you wanted to add a credit or debit card, you can do so, provided you need to all the information here. All right, and once you're happy, click the Pay Now button. Now, once you have successfully purchased the ticket, I want you to click your profile icon and go to tickets. Now, for example, the event or concert has been canceled and you wanted to get a refund about it. All I have to do is super simple, click the support section here. All right? Now, click the section that says help with an order and choose the option that says the event was canceled. All right. And as you can see, you might want to read all the information that has been given here. Well, my suggestion is that you can also try to contact the sales support here. There is an option on the help center that says chat with us right here. So you can contact the support specialist about your concern. All right. One of the sales agent will give you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem if in case you encounter any issues getting a refund. All right. And basically that's it for today's video on how to get a refund on SeatGeek. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.